NVIDIA AI unveils PRORL Agent, a scalable infrastructure that implements a rollout-as-a-service (RAAS) philosophy to decouple the multi-turn agentic rollout lifecycle from the reinforcement learning training loop. This architectural shift addresses the fundamental resource conflict between I/O intensive environment interactions, including sandbox management and tool execution, and GPU intensive policy updates centered on gradient synchronization. By resolving the tight coupling found in existing frameworks like SkyRL, VeRL-Tool, Agent Lightning, RLLM, and GEM, ProRL Agent significantly improves hardware efficiency and removes maintenance barriers, enabling developers to modify task environments or training backends independently. ProRL agent operates as a standalone HTTP service that decouples the RL trainer from the rollout infrastructure, enabling interaction exclusively through a standardized API. To maximize throughput, the server utilizes an asynchronous three-stage assembly line comprising INIT for sandbox setup, RUN for multi-turn agent execution, and EVAL for reward scoring, managed by independent worker pools. This design allows rollout phases to overlap across multiple jobs, ensuring that latency-heavy tasks such as full test suite evaluations do not stall the overall generation process. By isolating these stages, the system effectively manages the heterogeneous resource demands and variable feedback times inherent in multi-turn agentic tasks. ProRL Agent addresses the limitations of traditional containerization in high-performance computing (HPC) by using Singularity for its sandbox infrastructure, which enables rootless execution and native Slurm integration without the privileged daemon access required by Docker. To mitigate latency bottlenecks in sequential environment interactions, the system implements three critical optimizations: an efficient bash terminal that replaces tmux with pyprocess to reduce shell command latency from 0.78 seconds to 0.42 seconds, a direct in-process API for IPython kernels that removes the networking overhead of standard Jupyter gateways, and the use of Unix domain sockets (UDS) instead of TCP loopback for internal container communication to provide higher throughput. These enhancements ensure that tool execution does not become the primary throughput bottleneck as rollout concurrency scales to hundreds of parallel agents. ProRL Agent enhances training stability and hardware utilization through three advanced mechanisms: intelligent load balancing, token level communication, and optimized sampling. The server manages a pool of LLM inference backends using a min heap keyed by assignment counts, ensuring that all subsequent calls within a specific task are consistently routed to the same backend to maximize prefix cache reuse and reduce multi-turn inference latency. To eliminate re-tokenization drift, where text-based trajectories can lead to unintended off-policy discrepancies, the system adopts a token in/token out approach, treating token IDs and log probabilities as the canonical representation throughout the entire pipeline. Finally, the infrastructure optimizes dynamic sampling policy optimization (DAPO) via an asynchronous replenishment mechanism that maintains maximum throughput by filtering non-informative prompts and utilizing early termination for redundant active jobs once the target number of informative samples is reached. Experimentation and validation of ProRL agent using Qwen3 models across multiple scales demonstrated consistent performance gains on the SWE-Bench Verified benchmark compared to reproduced baselines. Specifically, the 4B model improved from 14.8% to 21.2%. The 14B model rose from a 15.4% baseline to 23.6%, exceeding the 21.6% previously reported for SkyRL Agent 14B v0, and the 8B model achieved a nearly 2 times improvement, increasing from 9.6% to 18.0%. Beyond software engineering, the infrastructure proved its generality across STEM, math, and code domains, where models showed steady growth in mean rewards and pass at 1 metrics throughout the RL training process. Furthermore, scalability analysis confirmed that rollout throughput increases near linearly as additional compute nodes are added, proving that the decoupled architecture effectively minimizes scaling overhead for large-scale agent training.